Ready to unlock the true power of your Samsung A04e. We'll show you how to enable developer options and take control. Go to your phone settings. Find and select About Phone. Next, tap on Software Information. Now, tap the build number 7 times in a row. Go back to Settings to find Developer Options. Open Developer Options and enable USB Debugging. This is where the real magic happens. Enable OEM Unlock to remove all restrictions. The OEM option is hidden by default. After connecting the phone to the internet, we go to the www.cfix.io website. Now open Settings, enable the OEM option that has appeared.